crash looked on in disbelief as fog descended there. 12,000 Union soldiers climbed the hills of Tennessee that day on Lookout Mountain in 1863. Oh, Craven's house, what did you see on that cold November day above the clouds in Tennessee, as cannons fired away? When Fighting Joe came across the creek, the rebels met him there, but soon the view was looking bleak, so back they fell from there. Against the climbs near Craven's house, the fighting was intense. 12,000 against 1,200 men, the battle did commence. Oh, Craven's house, what did you see on that cold November day above the clouds in Tennessee, as cannons fired away? The morning fog in silence lay like ghosts upon the field, once hiding what was lost that day, the sun has since revealed. 1,200 soldiers lost their lives near Lookout's jagged dome. 2 cannon slugs and musket knives near Robert Craven's home. Oh, Craven's house, what did you see on that